As I travel through this pilgrim land, there is a friend who walks with me. Leads me safely through the sinking sand. It is the Christ of Calvary. This would be my prayer, dear Lord, each day to help me do the best I can. For I need thy light to guide me day and night. Blessed Jesus, hold my hand. Blessed Jesus, hold my hand. I need thee every now. Through this pilgrim land, protect me by thy side. Hear my feeble plea. Oh Lord, down on me. When I'm weak in prayer, I need thee to bear. Blessed Jesus, hold my hand. Let me travel in the light divine, that I may see the blessed way. Keep me that I may be holy, that I sing redemption songs someday. I will be a soldier brave and true, and ever firmly take a stand. As I onward go and dare meet the foe, blessed Jesus, hold my hand. Blessed Jesus, hold my hand. I need thee every hour. Through this pilgrim land, protect me by thy side. Hear my feeble plea. Oh Lord, look down on me. When I'm waiting there, I need thee to bear. Blessed Jesus, oh